Good morning to my viewers. I am Ravindra Rao. I am heading commodity research at Anand Rathi Commodities. We are also looking into currency research. Before starting with my views, I would like to thank Ticker for launching their Ticker app, and that would be very beneficial for traders and for research analysts to take a view on the market. Coming to the views, starting with precious metals, we have seen quite bit of a range move in precious metal, especially gold. Main reason being there are a lot of ups and downs in the equity markets, and there are a lot of political uncertainties coming in from the US and from other economies, mainly from the US, and that is what is putting pressure on the dollar. Dollar index we have seen has come down to 89 kind of levels, and from there it has moved up to 91.50 today, and it is expected that it might go up till 91.50 to 92, but the overall trend in dollar looks slightly weak because of the ballooning fiscal deficit in the US, and they're increasing the spending, and that is what is going to put pressure on the dollar index, and this might prop up gold prices, and that is why we are seeing investment demand picking up. ETF holdings are continuously increasing, but on the other hand, the prices are not getting that kind of a support, so it is taking kind of a resistance at around 1360 on the COMEX, and until and unless it is above 1360, it goes above 1360, we expect prices to be in the range of say 1280 on the lower side, and on the higher side the cap would be around 1340, 1350. Above 1360, we are expecting prices to move higher. From a long-term perspective, we are bullish on precious metals, especially gold, and we expect $1,400 to $1,450 is a very much possibility, looking at the global uncertainties, especially from the US. Coming to silver, we have seen gold silver ratio has gone up to 80 levels, which is kind of a historical level, and we have always seen a reversal from those levels. Now currently, if you look at the levels, it is around 79.50, and we expect this ratio to come down to say in a 75 to 74. In that sense, it looks like silver might outperform gold. Silver also moved up above 1720, 1725, but it didn't sustain at that level, and from there the price have again moved lower. So if it sustains above 1725, we expect prices can go up till 19 to 1950 dollars on the COMEX, and on the MCX there is a chance that if it sustains above 41,000, the prices might go up till 42 to 42,500 on the higher side. So gold and silver, from a medium term perspective, we are bullish. From a short term perspective, we are expecting it to be trading in a range. Coming to energies, crude oil prices have seen a good rally in the last few months, mainly because of the cut from the OPEC and the highest compliance rate, and that has propped up the prices. But on the other side, if you look at the US production is continuously increasing, and now it is close to the Russian production, and US might become one of the largest producers in the world, and this might cap the upside in crude oil prices. And our take is that crude might move up till say 70. This is in case of WTI. It might move up till 70 to 71 dollars, but from there we might see crude oil prices again cooling off, and it might come down till say 65 to 66 dollars also. So we are not very bullish on oil prices from a medium term perspective, and we expect prices might move lower if the US production keeps on increasing. And on the upside, we can take a cap of around 71 to 72 dollars. On the MCX, we expect prices to come down till 4,200 to 4,100 levels. On the higher side, we feel 4,600 to 700 should be the ideal cap.